Hi boys and girls, today we are going to be working on this worksheet, so make sure that you have this worksheet and have it out. First we're going to go over our alphabet together. If you have an alphabet strip at home that looks like this or anything like this, get it out and follow along with me. If you don't, you can just follow along with me on the screen. We're going to say our alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, when we're looking at our alphabet strip, some of our letters are in black and some of our letters are in red, as you can see. We have 5 letters in red. Those are our vowels. Our vowels are in red, and then the rest of our letters are called consonants, and those are in black. All right, we're going to talk about that every time we go over our letters. So first, I want to do some rhyming words with you, and I want you to tell me if these words rhyme. Rhyming words end with the same sound. So like bat, cat, hat, sat, all have that at sound at the end. So I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to tell me if they rhyme or not. The first word, lot and jar. Do those rhyme? They don't rhyme. The next word we have is sit wit. Sit it and wit it. Those 2 rhyme. All right, next we have hat pig. Nope, they don't rhyme. Mop cat. Mop cat. They don't rhyme. Log hog. Log hog. They do rhyme. They have that og sound they end in. And log hat. Log hat. They don't rhyme. All right, let's get out our worksheet. Let's not get out our worksheet. I lied. We're going to look at something else. Last week we learned all about the letter L. And we have our picture card of a lion. L, lion. L. And this is our picture card that's going to help us remember that L sound in our L. So on your worksheet, I want you to find Max the bear. First off, if you know how to write your name, go ahead and write your name down. If you don't know, that's okay. We're going to find Max the bear on number 1. And we're going to write down the L that we learned last week. To make an L, remember we just do line down. So just line down L. My marker didn't show that very well. There we go. L. All right. Next, I want to talk about our new letter sound. Our new letter sound is aw. Can you make the aw sound? Aw. And I want you to say aw. Aw, aw. All right. All vowels have 2 sounds. And today we're just learning about the short vowel sound for O, which is the aw. Sorry about that. Aw. All right. So our picture card for this week, this is an animal, and it's like a sea animal, and it lives in the ocean and has 8 little legs. I don't know if you've ever heard of it or seen it, but it's an octopus. Octopus. And that's how we remember our ah sound. Now you'll notice on our O that it has this little curl. I always call it a smile face when I talk about it. And this is called a brev. But when I'm explaining to you how to write it, I always say a little smile face because that's what it looks like to me. And that shows us that the O gets the short sound, and the brev tells us that it's the short sound, so it's the ah sound. All right. Next, we're going to practice skywriting an O. When you skywrite, I want you to stand up, point your arm, keep your arms straight and point. No like flimsy elbows. Miss White's going to sit in her seat because I think that if I stand up, my computer's going to be in a weird spot. But I want you to stand up with me. So you're going to start up at the top for your O. You're going to go over to the left, down, around, and come back up to where you started. It's like a circle, basically. All right, can you make some with me? All right, good job. Next, we're going to practice writing it on our worksheet. So can we find number 2 where Max the Bear is at? And we're going to write our O. Remember, you start up at the top, go around like in a circle, and come back up to the top. All right, go ahead and put your paper down. And can you practice writing a few O's on the back of your paper? I'm going to write a couple too. These are lowercase O's that we're learning. You can put your O's in any spot on your paper, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and take a minute to put your O's down. All right, here's my O's. Alrighty. Next we're going to practice finding some O's on our worksheet. So if we look here on our worksheet, all I want you to do is circle, which kind of looks like an O, but circle the O's that you see in the letters. I'm going to do it, and then we are going to look at it together and see how we did. So just go ahead and circle any O's you see, and then we're going to count them up too and see how many we came up with. All right. Are you ready to look at the O's with me? All right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. All righty. We are done for today. We will learn more about O's tomorrow, and I will see you next time.